Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it's Friday, January 22nd. Happy Friday to everybody. We've been talking about determination all week. We're going to finish it up with one more topic today. But first, let's get our day started with the Pledge of Allegiance. Can you please stand up with me? Stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nicely done. You guys can have a seat. Hey, this morning I want to finish up our topic of determination with a conversation starter that I've actually used with a lot of different virtues, and I love talking about it because it always leads to some fun conversations. I want you to share out this morning one character that you can think of from a book or a movie or a story or a TV show that shows determination. That attitude, like, I'm never going to give up. I'm going to keep trying until I do this. I'm going to go first. And I'm going to say the character I'm thinking of that shows determination is Mulan. She never gives up. She's going to keep trying. She has this idea in her head that she needs to go fight in the army to help her family out. And she's determined to do that. And there's nothing that's going to stop her. Really nothing. Even the rules that girls can't be in the army, that's not going to stop her. She doesn't know how to be in the army, that's not going to stop her. Nothing's going to get in her way. So that's who I'm thinking of, Mulan. Share out with your class who's a character that you can think of that shows a lot of determination and is not going to give up. Have a great day, Achieve.